Hi. Are you hiding in here also?
Yes. It's crazy out there.
Is this your first time to Santa Fe?
Yes, it is beautiful. But the women here, well, let's just say, I had no idea how dangerous it was.
Oh my God. Do you know, the ratio of single women to males over the age of 40 is 20 to 1?
That explains all the attention I was getting. Those mobs of single women looking for men were amusing at first, but then they started to herd me around and I just could not take it.
Take a deep breath. They're there. The crowds of women looking for men have become more dangerous over the past few years. If a pack of them catches your scent, well, it could be the end of you.
I am afraid to go back outside. They might tear me limb from limb. I should probably wait until dark.
They can still find you in the dark. You need a strategy. Some of us old-timers wear disguises. I don't know if you are willing to wear a dress and floppy hat. If you wear a good disguise, it can give you a few extra minutes of unchased freedom.
A dress? You want me to wear a dress?
Like I said, it helps, but it's not enough. I have a really effective tip for you. Carry a bottle of cologne with you every 30 feet or so. Spray a little cologne onto a mailbox or something. It will help distract the women who are milling around trying to catch the scent of a man. They will smell the cologne and a group of 5 to 20 will end up collecting in pockets that keeps them off of your trail.